Truly I received the payment from this application. It's very easy to get free Bitcoin, and what I mostly like about this application, it is 100% free.
Hello everyone and welcome back with another video where I will share an Android application and how we'll earn free Bitcoin. Yes, free Bitcoin, but before we jump into our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like now this video, and if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing. Because I upload videos where I will teach how to get extra income online. Let's start with our video tutorial. In this video I will download two apps. The first one is Bitcoin Blast, the second is Coinbase. In Google Play search for Bitcoin Blast, just scroll down until you see Bitcoin Blast. Take note, this app is not available to any iOS devices. First let's register. Click Get Started button on top, then I will click Continue with Google. Once you register, it will automatically log in your account, and welcome to Bitcoin Blast. You can withdraw here anytime without referral or inviting, because this app does not have any referral program. With this app it like you are playing Candy Crush. Let's start now. Click the play button to start. Level 9 target. Collect all blocks. Now I will teach you how to play. You can see here the blocks above. Swipe on the coins of the same color to destroy them. What we are doing here is to connect all the same color coins. Wow. Level complete. Very easy. There you go. This is how you play the Bitcoin Blast. Let's proceed. Level 10 goal. Limit of 8 moves with 1 ice block. So I got 4,540 loyalty points. Just play, enjoy, and use some strategy too. It is very easy to get Bitcoin. Play and play. So now we're done. You can see in my video, it's very easy to earn points. Less than 30 minutes we can cash out. As you can see on the I played more, and now I have 1,287,612 loyalty point, and I will now make a proof of withdrawal. In the dashboard you can see cash out. Here you will put your Coinbase email, and they only accept gmail.com. Now check your email for email confirmation. After email approved, just wait for 24 to 48 hours until it sends to your Coinbase account. Note, if you don't have a Coinbase account you won't be able to cash out. Click the link in the description below to register your Coinbase account. If you want me to help you to create or register a Coinbase account, comment Coinbase in the comments sections below. I will help you by creating a short video whereby I will be showing you step by step how to create a Coinbase account. Comment Coinbase or click the link on the description below to register. Let's check in my BTC wallet. The withdrawal is made, and here truly I received the payment from this application. As you can see, it is very easy to get Bitcoins. Please do not use any cheat, because some free apps are closing or turning to not paying because of what cheater and hackers do. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.